Hello friends, have you ever wondered that something as simple as sea salt can remove from your life? Negative energy, financial blockages, mental stress, frequent illnesses, and constant household conflicts? In today's video, I'm going to share with you powerful and time-tested remedies using sea salt, based on ancient scriptures, Vastu Shastra, and centuries of experience. But remember one thing, if you leave this video halfway, you'll miss the most powerful remedy. Friends, sea salt is not just for taste. It comes directly from the ocean. It is not chemically processed. It has the power to absorb negative energy. That's why Vastu Shastra, Tantra, and Ayurveda all consider sea salt to be one of the strongest purification elements. If in your home, fear arises without any reason, arguments happen frequently, money comes but doesn't stay, sleep is disturbed, then definitely try this remedy. Take a glass bowl, put sea salt in it. Place it in a corner of your bedroom or living area. Important, do not use a plastic bowl. Change the salt every 7 days. Dispose of the old salt in running water. Many people have shared that within just 7 days, the atmosphere of the house begins to change, if money comes but doesn't stay. On Friday, take a small bowl, fill it with sea salt, place it near your locker, safe, or money area. Change the salt every Friday. Pray in your mind, may all financial obstacles in my life be removed. This remedy activates the Venus and Goddess Lakshmi energy. If you experience scary dreams, anxiety while sleeping, before going to bed, take a cup of lukewarm water. Add a pinch of sea salt. Wash your feet. This calms the mind and removes negative vibrations. Once a week, add 1 handful of sea salt to your bathing water. Bathe from head to toe. This remedy slowly removes fatigue, heaviness, depression, evil eye effects. On Saturday, take a black cloth, tie sea salt inside it. Hang it near the main entrance of your house. Change it every 21 days. This remedy protects against evil eye and negative energies. Never reuse used salt. Do not use kitchen salt for remedies. Do not joke or doubt while performing remedies. Faith is the greatest mantra. If everything in life feels stuck, on Amavasya, new moon, or Saturday, take a bowl of sea salt. Light a lamp over it. Meditate for 5 minutes. Silently say, "Whatever is blocking my progress, may it be removed." This remedy has a deep and powerful effect. Friends, sea salt is not magic, but it is the science of energy. If you follow these remedies with the right method and faith, positive change is certain. If you liked the video, press like, share your experience in the comments, and subscribe for more such knowledge-filled videos.